Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. So this would be a short video. Here we'll see how we can get the phone number and email address of a particular customer. So I will simply open my all customer form, and here let me open any random customer. Let me open this DE-001 contest 0, and now when you click on this button, you see you have this contest 0 vendor rate, consolidated messenger.com email ID, and you have this phone number. Okay, so let's see how we can get with the help of this customer ID, how we can get the email address and phone number. So for that, I'm going to write a runnable class. I will click on new item. I will say runnable class, and let me add this. All right, so first of all, as the only information that I have is my customer ID, so I will define an object of my CustTable, and then I'm going to use my find method. Here I need to pass my customer ID, so my customer ID is DE-001, and let me close this, and I will go back and I will re-verify DE-001, DE-001. So I have that detail available with me. Now we need to understand. So let me go to this particular class, DirParty. Okay, and if you will search for here primary, so from this particular class you can easily get all this information. Let's say you want the electronic address or location, okay, your postal address, okay, anything, so you can easily get all this information from here. So for now, what I need my electronic address. So this phone number and contact, they are part of electronic address. So I'm going to use this primary electronic address. Okay, and when you'll open this, here you need to pass this dir party rec ID. Okay, so how you can get the party rec ID? So when you type simply CustTable, there is a field called party dot arty. All right, and then you need to pass this LogisticsElectronicAddress method type, which is nothing, this particular field. Okay, so it can have fax, phone, email address, right? So we need email address. So for that, you can simply put a comma here and LogisticsElectronicAddress method type. So LogisticsElectronicAddress method type, this one. So I need phone number first, so I will say phone number, and let me close this. And similarly, I need the primary electronic address. Again, I will pass my CustTable dot party, and then I will say logistics electronic address method type. I think I'm putting a wrong spelling somewhere, so I will simply copy this to my email. I can say here email. Okay, and I will close this. And now, so it will return my phone number and it will return my email address. So let me define variable for them. So I will say variable named as phone number. I will say here phone equals to, and similarly I will say here this is going to return me email address. So I will define my email address EDT, and then I can simply say email equals to here. Then at the end, let me auto hide this. Okay, and at the end we can simply display this. So I'm going to use info strfmt, and here I will say first of all email addresses, and I can put this. Then the next one is phone number, so I can say phone number is this, and then at the end simply put email and phone number. Here we go. So let me build this class and we'll see. Alright guys, one correction here, because here I need to, once I have the buffer, I can get that locator field where actually this will be available. So let me go to locator and let me go to dot locator. So locator is a common field. Let me show you once. Let me go to its definition first. Alright, so here when you come down, so it returns you the logistic electronic address. So this is the table. So when you go here, go to definition. So this is the table which store everything. Here you have that locator field, and when you will browse this table, inside a locator field, you will get everything like phone number, email address, fax ID, etc., etc. So you see you are getting phone number, email address. Okay, so you can easily get it from here. So I'm going to build now. Alright guys, so the build is completed, and yeah, so when you say this particular runnable class 3, that is this one, so the email and phone number for this DE001 is visible here. This is a contest of Europe vendor rate, and this is the phone number. So when you go here, you get the same details here. So here the key concept was that we have this DirParty class, and we can leverage that class. From that class, we actually get the buffer of LogisticsElectronicAddress table. Okay, then we simply use this dot locator field, and here we have also manually specify we need the phone number and email, and at the end we simply display the data. So thank you for watching this video.